got to prove it to little scientists so they'll know that slime could turn into an eraser.
What we need?
We need a glue, of course, and we need a food color. I choose pink color.
Get this.
Yeah, like that. And we need ice tray.
This.
Yeah, like that. And we need a rainbow.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one. And we need a baking soda.
Sticky.
We need a chopstick.
This.
Yeah, like that. Are you getting busy? Focus, focus. A cornstarch. And we need a tablespoon.
Papa, I like doing.
So first of all, we need to pour this glue to this ice tray.
Bisa man.
Need 2 drops of food color. Okay, sudah. Okay, kakak sekarang. 1, 2. 1. Okay, that's 2.
Nekka.
Then-
Wow.
Yeah, it's beautiful, huh? Until it's good.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna pour this baking soda into this bowl. Nekka, I need your help to put this in each of these cubes. Oh yeah, thank you. And we need to
I'm done.
Good job, Nekka. Well done. Now I'm gonna pour this cornstarch to this bowl. Now I need you to grab this cornstarch into this teaspoon and put it in each of these cubes. Okay, now this one.
Which one, Lola?
Now this one. Now this one. This one. This one. Okay, now I'm gonna stir it and then I'll put some contact solution or running. Oh, this one need to mix more a little bit. This is the contact solution or running. Now I'm gonna put it 1 drop.
Everything?
Stir it. Ooh. Look at this. Coming a slime is so goopy. Oh, it's slimy. Can I grab one? Ew, it's been coming a slime. Gross. But it's cool. It is. Come on, slime. I'm gonna mix this one. Ew! It looks like a cotton candy when I'm twisting it. See? It looks like a cotton candy. Ew! That's like a bubble gum. Ew! This is coming a slime, and this is a good slime. After this, we just need to put it to the fridge and let it cool. Let's go freeze it. Frozen right now. See? Now I'm gonna take this out. Yeah, it's cool, right? Okay, now I'm gonna draw something and prove it to you guys so you guys know that slime can turn into an eraser. Kitty cat with the glasses. And Nekka draw that is not so good as a real eraser, but this is still great. I love this. See?
Okay.
Goodbye, little scientist.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.